How to clear Instagram cache on Android. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Next, click App Management. Find and tap Instagram under App Management section. Once you're on the app info screen, tap Storage and Cache or Storage Usage. Now, tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that Instagram has stored, but it won't delete your photos, messages, followers, or account data. If you're trying to fix a more serious problem, you may also see a Clear Storage or Clear Data option. Keep in mind that using this option will sign you out of Instagram and reset the app, so only use it if necessary. That's it! You've successfully cleared the Instagram cache on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, Android tutorials, and easy tech guides.